Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, moderator. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohrinsa Patimura, and the author team, Putri Emilia Agustina, Susila Arita, Eda Melwita, Ruli Masriatini, Nurlela. Okay, I will present about our research with the title, The Effect of pH on Heavy Metal Reduction, GRPB, Cu, and Zn, using electrolysis process with aluminum electrode. Laboratory activity, especially in the field of research and education, often produce waste containing various types of chemical and metals, both organic and inorganic compounds. Heavy metals are one of the most dangerous water pollutants because they are persistent and not easily decomposed. The presence of heavy metal in wastewater is seriously concerned because there are toxic and difficult to decompose in the environment. So, they can cause water and soil pollution. Heavy metal in laboratory wastewater can have a negative impact on ecosystem and human health. Various methods such as absorption, chemical treatment, coagulation, ion exchange, and membrane filtration have been developed to treat heavy metal in the wastewater, but it has drawback like long treatment time. Environmental issue for sludge, high cost, or membrane fouling. Electrolysis offer a simpler, faster, and efficiency alternative by using electrolysis to reduce metal ions without significantly affect pH level. The process improves oxidation at the anode and reduction at the cathode, effectively removing suspensive particles, heavy metal, and other pollutants through three stages: coagulant production, contaminant, destabilization, and flocculant. Influencing factor on electrolysis process, the first electrode type, and then the applied current density and electric potential, and pH conductivity and contaminant concentrate, the temp and temperature. Research arms to evaluate the effectiveness of removing heavy metal such as CrPb, Cu, and Zn from artificial wastewater using the electrolysis process using aluminum Al, electrode, and varying pH condition and the treatment process. Material and method. Material in the preset to design electrolysis research reactor equipment. Material used lead-2 sulfate, zinc sulfate, heptahydride, copper-2 sulfate, pentahydride, potassium dichromate, power supply DC, and mineral water. Method. The experiment was conducted in an electrolysis reactor made of acrylic, which has a size of 20 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. Consists of 6 aluminum electrodes, where the electrode size used is 15 centimeter by 13 centimeter and by 2 millimeter, with an electrode distance of 1.5 centimeter, as shown in the figure. The current density was kept constant at 9 meter ampere divided second centimeter, with a voltage of 20 volt and current of 1.5 ampere. Research procedure: making a 2 liter of artificial PB water with a concentration of 20 milligram per liter. Then by varying the pH range from 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, entering wastewater into the electrolysis reactor with electrolysis time of 60 minutes. Then the another and cathode electrode are immersed 11 centimeter by connecting to direct current power supply. Electrolysis compression monopolar parallel. Analyzing the result of the electrolysis process with the atomic absorption spectrometry. Result and discussion. The effect of pH on flock formation during the electrolysis process is very significant because it affects the size and structure of the flock produced. In the study seen and figure for pH 3, the number of flock obtained is not too much compared to pH 7, pH 9, and pH 11. This indicates that at the optimal pH level can produce more flock so as to increase the removal efficiency. From the study, also in figure for color, especially CR heavy metal wastewater, whose solution is yellow after the electrolysis process turn clearer and no color is visible anymore. The study show the optimal conditions, such as pH and current density, significantly improving the color removal efficiency. In the electrolysis experiment with a starting concentration of 20 milligram per liter, and the heavy metal reduction was more effective at high pH at the pH 3 level of PB, QUZN, and CR were 9.0 milligram per liter, 4.8 milligram per liter, 3.5 milligram per liter, and 2.66 milligram per liter, respectively. For vapor at pH 11, this value significant drop to 0.64 milligram per liter for PB, uh, zero point zero milligram per liter for UNZN, 0.44 milligram per liter for CM. The process is more efficient in alkaline condition due aluminum hydroxide formation where low pH inhibited. Hydroxide production reducing efficiency. At the lowest pH 3, the percentage reduction of heavy metal Zn was 82.5%. At the pH 11, the highest percentage reduction of heavy metal Zn and J was 19.99%. Conclusion, the electrolysis method using aluminum electrode profile effective in removing heavy metal CrPb, Cu, and Zn from artificial wastewater. The pH parameter affect the reduction of heavy metal in this study. The most of pH occur at pH 11 with removal efficiency. Thank you.